with me on a press trip with Dermalogica as they launched their new Phyto Nature Oxygen Cream. We went to Bell's at Kilcare, a stunning boutique resort on Sydney's Central Coast. We started off with a yoga session and breathwork, followed by a facial massage workshop where we got to try the new cream. There was just enough time for a quick dip in the pool before my treatment, and PSA, Dermalogica now offers dermaplaning, which was incredible. My skin felt so smooth. Checking into my room, it's a beautiful, very Hampton style villa. There was a living room, a powder room, kitchen, and a gorgeous balcony with views over the beautifully manicured gardens. Inside the bathroom, there's a big bath and a skincare routine from Dermalogica. So dinner was beautiful. It was in the library. We had scallops and incredible steaks and listened to a presentation all about the new cream. And here I am trying it out. It's so hydrating. It's incredible. Lunch, beautiful lunch, and then the next morning we went on a bushwalk, Bonnie and I, through Boody National Park to Putty Beach, and it was absolutely stunning. The perfect way to start the day.